How to go to cover page in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redirect to the cover page. First of all, open the application. So here you can choose any of the book that you're reading. Here I'm tapping on this book, so it will take some time. So as you can see, I'm in this certain page. Now how can I redirect to the cover page? First, simply double tap onto the surface. Now here there are different options available. Now here on the left top you can see this filter icon. Simply tap on this filter icon. Here you'll be able to see two different options, go to beginning and cover. So you can directly go to cover by simply tapping on cover. So as you can see, I'm in this book cover. So this has automatically brought me into the book cover now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.